Tim Thomas here. In this video, we have got some major updates for you with American Bill Money. I'll tell you what, 2025 is going to be absolutely epic. We want you to take a look at what we've got, partner with us, and let's move forward. I'm going to get into a great presentation, show you the major updates that we have with American Bill Money. We'll talk about it all on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. Before we get started, go ahead and make sure you like the video. Hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. And subscribe to the YouTube channel. Channel about money making opportunities and ways to exponentially grow your income. American Bill Money. Folks, this is America's #1 residual income system. I'm going to throw out some income examples in this video of what we feel that you can make with this program. And it's absolutely epic as to what you can do. It is life-changing. And again, as an income disclaimer, in life, nothing happens until you take action. $10,000 plus per month is possible. A lot of us are getting into four figures with American Bill Money. And I ask people all the time, where are you going to be? We're at 22 years strong. Where are you going to be when it hits year number 30? It's going to be absolutely epic, folks. So we invite you to come on the inside. We've got updates to the website, updates to the postcards. All of our postcards have been updated. Brand new stuff is on them. We have a brand new postcard, a brand new drop card, and Post-it notes. I'm going to show you all that in this video. Get excited. And I tell you what, I do a lot of things online. But I doubled down on it. We had an epic conference call last night. I tell you, and that conference call was epic. Below the video, if you want to hear the recording, Dorian came out, spoke. Jose came out and spoke. We're going to have different speakers on these calls. And we encourage you to get on the conference calls every first, second, and fourth Tuesday of each month. And I tell you what, our next call is going to be on January the 7th. Well, I'll leave that out, but be the first in next month. That'll be our next call. You're invited. You're invited to be a part of America's #1 income system. This program, American Bill Money, is on a tear to the upside. Are you tired of losing money in crypto, Forex? Are you tired of putting monies in systems and not getting anything for your money? American Bill Money, you can join for $50. And then you can make up to $2,000 per referral. Up to $2,000, that's per year, per referral. And that is life-changing. With the upgrades, we have several levels of participation. You come in at 50, you get your marketing kit. It's going to have the other levels of participation, such as the basic, which is $150, and then you can start making $75 and $10 for every basic that's under you. So you're looking at $85 per month, and that's how your income can exponentially grow. I am excited that we have so many people coming into this thing on a weekly basis, sometime daily, and you can get started. Earn up to $2,000. Look at this. Per referral with upgrades. Take a special note, folks. This has been an update on our website. For just referring a few people, $2,000 per referral. Folks, that's powerful. Everyone needs and wants more money. Again, American Bill Money is celebrating 22 years. When you get a chance, check out this income calculator. It's life-changing. And you can see the potential, what's possible with American Bill Money. Here are our products, our service, the value. You're going to get the proven system, unlimited income potential, 22 years, A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Again, I am doubling down and telling you that American Bill Money is my #1 business opportunity. Do I talk about it every day? Not every day, but do I take action in it every day? Yes, I mail postcards on a consistent daily basis. I do a little something to market our business. No computer skills are needed, folks. Just plug and play. This system will do all the follow-up. All you do is mail a postcard or a flyer or promote online. Check out this 800 number. It's incredible. Here's more product, service, value. For the sake of the video, you can stop the video here. You can look at all of our products, our benefits, our value, the leads, the call, the unlimited use of the capture pay system. This is life-changing, folks. I am most excited in this video is about the updates. Again, this is new here. This line here, up to $2,000 per referral with upgrade. And that's going to money order freedom. Folks, if you're in American Bill Money and you're not an upgraded member, you are leaving a lot of money on the table, because when you start upgrading to these basics and these other levels, life can change for you pretty quickly. And that's exciting. Don't get me wrong, the starter is a great level to be at. But when you start upgrading, folks, you can really see the power of this system. Could not be more excited about it. Look at our postcards, folks. Our beautiful postcards. We have 5 to choose from. Style A, B, C, D, and E. And all of them have what we call this new text to number. Look at it, folks. Let's look at this postcard here. And you see right here it says text to. The ID number of the person that referred you will go on that right here, and then you'll text it to this number here. This 488-966-1790. That would be the number they text, and the ID number will be, and then the system will begin to follow over. You'll get a text message over the next couple minutes from the system, and it will follow up with you relentlessly. That's how it will work for you and other customers. Folks, this is incredible. And on the back of it, it has right here on up to 2,000 more with referrals. That is powerful. Powerful. A game changer. And we're going to see so many higher conversions. This, don't get me wrong, these flyers, this flyer and these postcards are converting like it's nobody's business. But when we put this one out here, folks, it's through the roof, to the moon, to strap in. We're going to the moon. Hit the like button. If you had not hit that like button, make sure you smash out the like button. I really appreciate it. Help rank the video higher. Look at this, folks. Secure. This is our brand new postcard. Brand new postcard. Hot off the press. The ink is drying. Secure a second income, not a second job. With America's #1 residual income system. I'm ordering 5,000 this postcard ASAP. Why? Because I'm extremely excited about it. I am fired up like it's nobody's business. Folks, I'm headed to $10,000 a month in American Bill Money. We're going to get there in record time. We're going to speed to the moon. Here's our new drop, our new Post-it card. Post-it note. Pill and stick Post-it note. And we can leave these things everywhere. Folks, I am ecstatic. Look at this new drop card. Look at, and they got the new text to number on the front and back. It's on our flyer, text to number. And folks, I'm telling you what, it is go time unlike anything we've ever seen in our lives. Get in American Bill Money today, guys, and let's get rolling. It has changed my life for the better, and it is getting better all the time. I am currently working on something special for our team, for our cover letter. Working on a video to go on our cover letter, folks. And that is absolutely epic. We have the, again, our conference calls. We may start doing a Zoom call and our training calls once a month. Get on board, folks. Let's go. Let's get you to earning. And the way to wealth is to have an automated system, Jose said, that you can pass out. My sponsor said, you can pass it out to your team members, and it will duplicate and do the same thing for you, whether you get out of bed or not. It will follow up. It will do the selling, telling, explaining for you so you never have to. This is epic times ahead. Folks, do not delay. I would allow you to know what it has done for me, and it can do the same thing for you and your family. And you can start changing your life. Folks, the day can be yours. After 12 o'clock in the daytime, my hardest thing to do is decide, do I want to go to Applebee's? Do I want to go to Lowe's? Do I want to go to Home Depot? Do I want to go hang out at the mall? Do I want to go do the finer things in life and live life on my terms? This is about financial freedom. Going where you want to go. Doing what you want to do. Not having to worry about a second job. Secure a second income and not a second job. You can do it today. Right now, this very moment, you can draw a line in the sand and say, I'm changing my life for the better. ABM postcards, post-it notes, drop cards, and flyers are absolutely the best. I could not be more excited. We had a record year in 2024. Strap in. We're headed to the moon in 25. Folks, that is my time for the day. I am excited, and we're going to leave you there. If you like the video, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.